Yo, 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 yo. Welcome back to our Need for Speed series. This is part 4, and as y'all can see, I did do some off-stream grinding. And I was about to do some more, and then I was like, no, no, no. Gotta stop. I need to do part 4. So here we are. I changed up our character a little bit. I did say part 1. Oh, I don't really like this character customization. It's a waste of time. But, you know, you do see the character like every time you open up the game. So I was like, all right, might as well. So we got him dripped out, with the coat, the pants, and cool little slides. And then I know y'all see the car. I know y'all see the car. All right. So we actually won this car in a race. And I completely just forgot to record. But we won this car in a race. It was super intense, super crazy. But now we have a way better car. Like it's a 20 plus point upgrade. 25. Yeah, I think that's 20. Yeah, 25-point upgrade. We still have our baby Mustang, we're never getting rid of this thing. We started the series with this, we're gonna end it with this. But for now, we got this Lotus, which drives beautifully, by the way. So, what we're gonna do now is finish racing up on Friday, and then we got another big race on Saturday to actually progress the story, because basically everything I did on the week for those 4 or 5 days was just trying to rack up enough money so we could, one, upgrade our car to A tier and pay the 20,000 buy-in fee. So I'm gonna skip through Friday really quick, and I'll see y'all on Saturday. We're here to Saturday. We got the race right here. We got a huge reward. We got a car, and I think that said $40,000. So I'm about to go drive over there, and I'll see y'all when we get there.
Hey kid, whatever happens with Jasmine tonight?
All right, we just got to the race spot, and things are about to get serious. I've been working a lot on the start off and just the racing mechanics, and I've gotten a lot better.
Perfect. Time to show her up. Wait. What is she doing?
Looks like she's racing, but not in her car. I mean, your car.
Why? Why would she swap cars?
My guess? It's her chance to size you up without risking her ride. Don't let her throw you.
That is disrespectful. She is racing with our car. That's crazy. But we about to go fuck. All right, bro. Starting buy-in paid 20,000. So we gotta win this. Let's go. Top 6, top 3, and then you gotta get first place. I'm a little nervous, but let's go. Alright. We off to a really good start right there.
You got some moves, I'll give you that.
Let's go. Got a hard turn. Looking smooth.
Don't make it too easy.
We're Alright, hold on. This is about to be a crazy overtake. Whew. Let's go. First place. Alright, let's not fuck it up though. One more lap and we win this thing. We don't have that good of a lead right now, but we're looking good. This guy, we cannot let this guy pass us. Let's go. Let's push this guy into that wall. Oh, perfect. Oh, crap. No way. No way we let this guy pass us. Alright, we're about to overtake him up here. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. What'd I say? Oh, and we hit him. Let's go! Let's go, bro. We needed that. That was huge. No! He overtook us last minute. I messed up on a turn. That's so unlucky, but we're good though. We had to get top 6 and we got second place, so we're still doing really good. Second race, baby. Alright, we didn't get a good start. Oh, that's that girl. Oh, hell nah. That's the girl that stole. That's our car, bro. There we go. Oh, we fucked her up. Oh, shit. We got fucked up. Alright. This guy. I don't know where this guy came. Is this the same guy that got first place last time? I don't think so, but still. Oh, that was. Ooh. Here we go. We got some nice boosts there. Got some nice boosts there. And then boom, right here, we overtook them. We got first place. Love the racing. Well, it is a racing game, but still though, the racing's fun. Okay. Alright, we're actually gaining on them now, so we're on good pace right now. Shit, crazy turn. Oh my god. 62%. Let's see. Oh, yeah, grip turn. This car is so good with those. That was a good dodge. Gotta hit that guy. We are not losing. We are not losing. Let's go. God, we gotta race 30 if we have to. Oh, we're good. We won. Let's go. First place. First fucking place. Let's go. We deserve that. We deserve that. That was so scrappy. Bruh. I'd be driving like this in real life too. Oh shit. Alright, we got the last race for all the marbles right here. Let's go. Good start. Perfect start. Perfect start. Perfect start. Oh, we got a U-turn. Hold on. Oh, we could low-key cheat that. Yeah, we don't have to do the full U-turn. Alright. Looking good. We started off first place. Let's see. Hopefully this doesn't require a lot of drifting or sharp turns because this car is not good with those. Oh my god. Oh, we got a jump. Coming up on a jump. Woohoo! That was pretty anticlimactic, but we got it. Shit. This is way too close. This guy's right on my tail. If I mess up just once, we're done for. Oh my god, he just hit me. He just fucking hit me. Gripped. Oh my god. What the? There's a shit ton. What the fuck? Dude, what is this? How's there so many fucking cops? This has to be personal. What the fuck? This has to be personal. Oh, we are way further ahead than everyone else. I don't know how. I don't know how. We were just... That guy was just right behind us 5 seconds ago, but I'm not gonna complain. I think it was probably the cops. Helped us out. Yeah, we're looking good. No way we fucked this up now. Let's go. We got that easy. I got so much better at racing. Let's fucking go, team. Let's go. That was fun. That was fun. Oh yeah, look at us. Got the new whip. We got the new outfit. What the fuck is this car? Okay. I dig the wrap. But I don't know, I doubt this thing's gonna be any good. We did get 40K though. So cool little cutscene right here. Let's see what's about to happen.
Oh, whoa, whoa! What are you doing?
Get in that car. Yaz never backs down from a challenge, right? Hey, yo, Yaz. What's up? Long time.
We about to race for the car?
Yeah. One you stole. The same night you ripped off the garage.
Damn! I know you're not coming at me right now.
Rydell trusted you.
Yeah? Well, I never asked him to. I never needed any of that fake father shit. I can handle
Bro, she's on Instagram live. That's crazy.
Me and you. Race right now. Winner gets the car.
Yeah, let's race for pinks.
About to race for pink slips, baby.
Tess, stop filming.
You kidding me? Two long-lost friends turned rivals throwing it down in the underground over some daddy drama. A stolen car. Next thing you know, he takes off his shirt. He goes to blow someone out of this shit, and bam! We're on the Breakfast Club.
Bro, what is she talking about?
It's a live stream.
Bro, that girl's cringe.
You know what, Pinks? I'm feeling a little generous. Charitable. You make it to the finals, you're on. Winner gets the car.
Finals.
You make it. Still too quiet.
What is this? Another race? Oh, we got like... Okay.
I waited 2 years. What's a few more weeks?
Can't back out now. No need to thank me.
So we gonna get that car back in a couple weeks. Alright. Alright.
Right down.
Check out this new car. What's this? Ooh, we can buy a Hellcat. We can buy a Hellcat now. That's crazy. Alright, let's see all my rides. Oh yeah, this thing sucks. What am I gonna do with 103?
As to throw down for the car.
Oh, I'm guessing it's like an off-road car. But
It's ours if we beat her in the
still though, this thing does not look that good.
She's rattled, boss.
Engine, what is it? They got 4-liter i6. I don't know what the fuck that is, bruh. Body kits. Do we got some cool body kits? Alright, I got some alright. This is definitely the coolest one though. I'm not gonna lie, but oh, the hood looks nice. It has some nice little details. I'm not gonna lie, it looks cool, but it's not really a good car. But we'll take it. Let's see. If we go play, all right. So we got a whole week for another qualifier. This time we need 50,000. That's crazy. Well, I'm gonna try to get that. Oh, we already got that money, so I just can't be buying anything. But let's go. That's gonna be really exciting for part five. Part five, we'll do that second qualifier. We'll see how things go. I'll see y'all on the next one.